Most children stuck in the 50 to 80 mark range are not lacking effort. They are lacking the right method. My name is Benjamin Loh, 30 years of teaching, author of 18 math guidebooks used in schools around the world. Every week, I run a free live session on this channel, teaching the proven one method system exactly as I teach it in class. Subscribe. The method that's helped thousands of students could help your children too. 7 is Jasong. Okay, Jasong. And then, who is 4? This one no need to ask you lah. Too obvious already. This must be Terry, right? Okay. Then the next keyword is Terry is 3 times as many as Sam. And then they say that Jason and Terry, which is these two people, Jason and Terry, they gave some stamps to Sam. Okay? Because they're very scared of Sam. And they gave it in the ratio of 3:2. As a result, Sam is now 6 times as many as before, okay? In the end, Sam is 198 more than the total of Jason and Terry. Question, what is the ratio of Sam to Terry to Jason at first? Okay, that's the question. And then second question is, how many stamps did Jason have in the end? Actually, I shouldn't underline stamp. Okay, anyone can tell me why I shouldn't underline stamp? Yes, cause is the only thing. Very good. Yes. And Tianwen in all stamp in the question. Yes, very good. Stamp is the only thing. Now we're going to start. Watch. Before I draw this model, right, I want to ask you, who is being compared to both of the other two people? You look at the first sentence, you look at the second sentence, and you will know who is being compared to both. Yes, very good. Very good. It's Terry. You see, Terry, this is important. A lot of people overlook this, but this is very important. Terry, over here, is being compared twice. Once to Jason, then once to Sam. Because Terry is being compared twice, you are going to draw 2 models for Terry side by side. Both are Terry. So you're going to have Terry over here. Okay, let's say the size of Terry's model is over here, like this. Then in that case, right, Terry's model will be drawn again of the same size, but over here. So on top, I'm going to compare him to Jason, and below I will compare him to Sam. Both are Terry. Take note, both are the same person. Terry. Okay, now, question. How many units is Terry when being compared to Jason? Very good. Now, so 4, right? Because it says here that Terry is 4 when Jason is 7. Fantastic. So I'm going to cut this into 4 parts. And of course, that means that Jason's model will be 7 because as you can see here, it's 7. And I'm going to make this longer, about 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, done. So this is Jason. Now, next, how many boxes do I cut this into? I am comparing now to Sam. Very good. Yes. 3, 3. Viduran, it is 3 because now I'm using this sentence. Okay, Terry is 3 times. So this one is 3. And as a result, Sam is 1. Okay, now notice I didn't write the word units inside. There's a reason for that. Because when you have 2 persons that are the same, you need to make them equal. So can you tell me how many units is this? I've taught you all this many times. Fantastic, guys. Well done. And the reason it is 3 for those of you who don't know is because there are 3 boxes here. So because there are 3 here, so this will be considered 3. So this is 3 units. Now use your common sense and tell me how many is this. Go. Okay, good. And the reason is because now I got 4 boxes here. So that makes this a 4. Well done. So by doing this, can you now tell me how many units did Jason start with? Yes, well done. Very good. This one, Claven won. Okay, this is because this is 3 units. If this is 3 units, then this must be 21. Okay, this must be 21 units. So he started with 21 units. Okay, next. Let's look at the question a little bit more. It says that Jason and Terry gave something to Sam. So these two persons, they gave something to this person. And then as a result, Sam is now 6 times as many as before. Now, can you tell me how many more boxes do I need to draw behind to complete Sam's new model? Go. Excellent. Yes, 5 more. Why? Because if Sam is 6 times of before, he already has 1. He only needs 5 more. So I'm going to draw that right now. Okay. So I'm going to draw this. I'm going to write this. And then I'm going to use magic. Okay. Yeah, I know you all don't like me to do this, right? Because you say I'm cheating. Too bad. Okay. 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2. Then 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Done. Technology abuse. Okay. Guys, how many units does Sam have in the end? Go. Very good. Yes. Very good. It is 24 because this is 4 and 4 times 6 is 24 units. Very good. 24 units in the end, started with 4. Now, question, how many did Sam receive? Quick pause. If what I'm sharing makes sense, it is because it comes from 30 years in the classroom and 18 published guidebooks. Every week, I take that same knowledge into a free live session open to any parent watching this channel. The link is in the description. Come and see the one method system in action at absolutely no cost. Very good. So, this is 20 units. This is what he received, right, Sam? So this is 20 units. This 20 units was received from these two people in this ratio. Here, you read this. Came from here. The ratio is 3:2. This 20 units is the 3:2. Because that is what Sam received, which means that this is what Jason and Terry gave. I'm going to write here Jason, Terry, 3:2. And this 3:2, I need to take these two numbers and, oh, somebody already got it. Okay, this one must times what? This one must times what? Well done, by the way. It's because of this. This 20 that you see over here was given by the two of them. Okay, this 20 was given by the two of them. And it so happens that the two of them, when you add together, gives you a total of only 5. Which means that I need to times 4 to get 20. And therefore, if I do that, I must do 4 here. And I must get 12 and 12 here. 12 and 8 here. Question. Is 3 and 2 units, yes or no? Very good. Excellent. Next. Is 12 and 8 units, yes or no? Very good. Very good. So it is not units because this is not units. But when I multiply by 4, it became units. And so by doing this, I'm changing everything to units. Understand? This is the logic. So this is units and this is units. Now this is what they gave. Okay, now remember these two numbers. It's 12 and 8. Okay, J and T is 12 and 8. Let's go back to our model. My question to you is this. How many units does J have left? Come. Remember just now the number was 12 and 8. Okay, this was J and T. How many units does J have left? Yes. Well done. Okay, so this J here, he gave 12. So if he gave 12, and this is 3, then this is what he gave. And this is what is left. So the answer is 9. Now do that as well for T and tell me how many units does T have left? Terry. Good, fantastic. You all got it already. Huh? So now you know that this is 8. That means I got to take away 8 from here, right? So if I take away 8 from here, I can take from here also, and then I'll get 4. Okay? So because it's the same, right? Both are the same person. So I think I'll just write it over here. 8 units. 8 units is something like this. Okay? Because it's here, right? So this is 8 units, and therefore there's 4 units left. Okay? Here is 4 units as well. Very good. Now, listen, this one do a bit of thinking, Listen, They say to you that Sam is now 198 more than the total of Jason and Terry. Okay, question, Is it 198 more than Jason and Terry left, or Jason and Terry at first? Go. Very good. First, yes. The rest of you also got it right. Very good. Right after, very good. Fantastic. Very proud of all of you. Next, can you tell me how many units is that? 198 is therefore how many units? Okay, that is the difference between Sam and Jason and Terry left. Go, calculate that. Okay, yes, thank you. Thank you for showing the working. Very good, very good, very good. Answer is 11. 11, exactly. Okay. Now, this, we know that Sam has 24 in the end. We know that J and T has got a total of 9 plus 4 left in the end. So the left is 9 units plus 4 units equals 13 units. Okay, I say again in case you don't get it. This is left. This is left, which is 9. This is left, which is, this is left, which is 4. So 9 and 4 adds up to 13 left, and Sam has 24 left. Now, the meaning of left is what they have in the end. So this is comparing end to end. Comparing end to end. Okay, let's answer the first question. What is the ratio of Sam to Terry to Jason? Go. At first, not in the end, at first. Sam to Terry to Jason. Well done, well done. Yes, good. So the answer is 4 to 12 to 21 units. Okay, that's your answer. Very good. That's your answer for A. This is the answer for A, which is Sam to Terry to Mr. Jasong. And I got 4 to 12 to 21. Now, my question is, can you put units here? Is it okay for me to write like this as my answer? Yes or no? Excellent. That's right. The answer for ratio cannot have the units inside. So don't write this because your teacher is going to penalize you for this. Okay? So just write 4 to 12 to 21. Okay? It cannot have units. It also cannot have kg. It cannot have any kind of units. It can just be a pure number. Okay? Nothing else. Remember this. Now we go to B. In B, we already know that 198 is the difference between these two numbers. Okay, and 24 minus 13 is 11 units. And 11 units is 198. Can you find for me what is Jason in the end? Very good. Yes. So many of you got it right. Very good. Now, this 198 is 11 units, which means that 1 unit is 18, and we are finding Jason left, and Jason left is this one over here, and that is 9 units. So we're going to find 9 units. Jason left, and we take 18 times 9, which many of you gave me the correct answer being 162. Okay, that's it. That is the one method system built over 30 years, refined across 18 guidebooks and tested with thousands of students. If your child is in the 50 to 80 range, I want you to see this in action before you make any decision. Join my free live session this week. One session is enough to know whether this is what your child needs or even just to learn. I am Benjamin Loh. See you live.